Alright, tools you're gonna need: multimeter to diagnose the issues, diag, the custom wires if you can reach it, flathead or the Philip heads, whichever you prefer, and preferably im impact wrench or a drill to get the screws out, because it's gonna be really tight. So you want to save a trip going to Ace Hardware or something, hardware store, and that as well. Hey everyone, I just want to make a video to replace the converter on a 2019 Outdoors RV 28 RKS. We have this model, junction box, WFCO, and the converter is located downstairs all together without any external plugins. This is the part that you need. Get it from Amazon for about $90, and it's a direct replacement. Pretty much the symptom is the battery won't charge, and the only way to get some DC power is to pretty much strictly charge the battery, which is what I did, because Amazon took about 3 days to come, and of course without any DC power, the Haze VAC is not gonna work. So this is why I did a quick replacement. So first thing is take a picture of where all the wires, or make a video. That way you can see. This is the white wires. I believe this is ground, which goes here. The black one goes to the this breaker switch. And then all the white wire, this is the power wires, goes here. Red one goes there. So take Phillips head, take these two screws off. Okay, so to take this thing off, there's a little clip here, right there. You just press on it, press on the clip, and you can just pull it off so you can get access to these wires. Alright, so guys, plug everything back in. This is pretty much self-explanatory. So for this one, it's a little smaller. So you connect the only one red wire instead of two. So the white one goes there. Put everything back together. Before you hook everything up, test it first. So right now my battery switch is off. You can see it's off. And get this power back right there. And my fridge is working as well. So to turn it to the mode. And that's it. That's how you replace the converter.